Hello and welcome. If you're looking at engineering colleges in the Kanyakumari area for the 2026 admissions, then this explainer is for you. We are taking a detailed look at the Loyola Institute of Technology and Science in Thilvali, and the TNEA Code you'll need is 4993.
So, to give you the full picture, we're going to walk through 5 key areas. We'll kick things off with the college's identity and its credentials. Then we'll dive into the courses they offer, check out the faculty, look at the all-important placement numbers, and finally cover the practical stuff like campus facilities.
Right off the bat, a couple of things really stand out. First, Loyola Institute of Technology and Science is affiliated with NAAC University, which is a big deal in Tamil Nadu. And second, it's accredited with a B-grade from NAAC. These are basically seals of approval that tell you something about the college's academic standards.
So first up, let's get the fundamentals down. What is this institution, really?
Okay, so the college was founded back in 2008. It's a self-financing institution. And something you'll want to keep in mind is its Christian minority status. This can be a factor during the admission process, especially for management quota seats.
Let's drill down into their NAAC assessment. On a scale of 4, the college scored a cumulative grade point average of 2.95. You know, for parents and students who are really comparing colleges, this specific number is a really solid piece of data to have.
So what does that 2.95 actually translate to? Well, in the official NAAC system, it means a B grade. It's best to think of this as a kind of standardized report card. It really helps you get a sense of where this college stands in terms of quality compared to others.
All right, now for what's probably on top of your list, the academic programs. Let's see exactly which engineering branches you can apply for in the 2026 admission cycle.
In terms of capacity, the college has an approved intake of 600 seats for its undergraduate engineering courses. This gives you a good idea of the overall size of the student body each year.
And here they are, the 9 different engineering branches you can choose from. You've got your core, foundational streams like computer science, ECE, and mechanical. But what really stands out is their focus on newer fields. They offer dedicated programs in AI and data science, another CSE branch that specializes in AI and machine learning, and even biomedical engineering.
You know, any great college needs great teachers, right? So let's have a look at the faculty strength over at Loyola Institute of Technology and Science.
So, according to the official data that the college submitted for its 2024 NIRF report, they have a total of 139 faculty members on board for their engineering departments.
And out of that total of 139, 21 of them hold a PhD. That's about 15% of the engineering faculty. This number gives you a rough idea of the academic experience and research background of the teaching staff.
Okay, let's get to the bottom line, the question that's on everyone's mind. What kind of career can a graduate expect from here? Let's dive into the placement data.
The first number you're likely to see, the headline figure, is the one reported by the college for T&E counseling, and that's a 92% placement rate. This is the official number you'll find on the TNE portal.
But to get a more transparent, verifiable number, we can look at the data the college submitted to the National Institutional Ranking Framework, or NIRF. Their 2024 report states that 137 students from the 2022-23 graduating batch were placed.
And what does that look like in terms of salary? Well, the very same NIRF report for the 2022-23 batch shows the median salary for placed students was 1.7 lakh rupees per annum.
All right, let's switch gears and talk about the practical side of things, the day-to-day logistics. This is especially important for students and families who might be coming from out of town.
The college does provide separate hostel facilities for both boys and girls, and the mess in both hostels serves both vegetarian and non-vegetarian options. If you're commuting, there's also a college transport facility available, and for travel, the nearest major railway station is Nagercoil Junction, which is about 12 kilometers away.
Just a quick note before we wrap up, all the information we've presented here is based on data we've gathered from the college's own official website and from trusted government portals like TNEA and NIRF, as of April 2026.
Explore more engineering colleges at profsam.com, your true source for 12th to engineering decisions.